In this video I'm going to turn my snow bike into a chainsaw scooter cycle. In the previous video we have tested the motor, and its build has proven us that it's reliable and rapid, but the snow has melted, so we knew it is going to happen, and we've created the snow scooter in the way it can be easily modified. This thing won't let the scooter go nicely. What kind of bolt is that? It's fancy. Don't have a notion, just found it somewhere. It runs on gasoline and oil mixture. I'm going to add some oil right now. I think 1 cap is enough, and the rest of the container I will fill with gasoline. The main thing left is to shake it well. We need the oil to be dissolved completely. Whoa, slow down, you spilled it! Well, let's open the tap. It's time to pump it. Aha, the fuel is running. I'm closing the filter. This is my ignition key. I just need to plug it in. Here is the moment of truth. I'm starting. Oh, wow. I can't talk now, I can only feel. What I can say about it, it's really a monster motorbike. Imagine you press the gas just a little and you don't feel anything going wrong, but just for a moment. After a second you are going super fast. We are going out of town to see its power. Could you imagine a handmade scooter was going with a speed of 70 kilometers just yet? Is it for real? I'm shocked. I was expecting 40 kilometers, but not 70. It was 70 kilometers per hour. Oh heck, you're kidding. I can even add 5 more. Oh my god. It doesn't want to go. This moped even jumps up. Did it dip the fuel? No. The spark plug got damaged with the hard vibrations. We ain't got tools with us. Oh, a spring popped out. Is it okay right now? So let's go and fetch a screwdriver. Hang on a minute. My long nails are gonna help me. Let's go and check how it goes off-road. I was going up the hill and the chain has slipped. I was flying that high, so I thought I will fly off my moped. The absorber was too good and the chain was free to slip, because the tensioner didn't make it. I see that the lubrication and rollers are absolutely okay. It is going very nice. The disadvantage is that the dirt is flying in your face. But don't worry, we're going to pick that. It is really stable. we're going to install a little modification. I've got a mud guard from an old moped, and it can be attached with one bolt literally. And I also have this one, it's a frame of a kind of quad bike. We can use it to place the legs comfortably. Almost everything to make such a moped or a snowmobile you can find in a junkyard. By the way, these tubes were a part of a wheelchair. And this mount of the rear axle is from Toyota. This is a part of my old Zhiguli. It was a rear stabilizer bar. The back part is also made of an old torque rod. I've taken this back absorber from an old motorbike. The wheels are from the wheelchair, but we've put some rubber inside. The chain is regular, don't know what to say about it. The sprocket is from China, bought it for 10 rubles in the junkyard. The new one will cost you $4 or something. We've got a little distracted from our... Alright, now we have a thing to place legs. If this video has many likes, I will attach a sidecar to it. If you would like the video with a sidecar, we will double the engine and install it in the sidecar. So imagine, it's going to be twice more rapid. The two chainsaw engines for one scooter. Yeah, I want to connect them into one engine system. And this is going to be a real thing. You know, I like watching all these videos with modifications for some regular cars, having much of cash, that all will be a bullshit in comparison with this monster. Well, let's check out how it's going to go over the road. Show us its rocking power.
Ну что, погнали,
Let's see how it's going up the steepest hill in our town.
Отлично тянет.
I had to slow down the speed. Oh, I didn't mention that. How is it possible? We rode the scooter, but the fuel level is like we weren't. We've covered 10 kilometers. We've decided to compare the speed of a handmade scooter and a Japanese, the cool one. Let's see who is going to be the fastest. Drawing the starting line. And this is going to be the finish line. Let's make it more obvious. Alex, are you okay? Yeah, I'm good. I shouldn't press the brake like that. I've just had a little accident. Did you try to stop while going? Yeah, but I didn't get hurt. My gloves were good. Just a little spot right there. I was petrified when you fell down. I was scared rigid.
Нет, просто жесть.
As you saw yourself, our moped eats the hill terrain for breakfast. The speed is really crazy. Even the factory-made moped couldn't overtake it. But what speed it can reach on snow as a snowmobile? That was in our previous video about the snowmobile version. In the following video, we are going to make a review on this car, finally. That was made on the base of Buzz Jiggly 2101. Thank you, my patrons, I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and soon there will be more lot of fun.